Hey there, this is Robert with Studio 5 Drone Productions. Thinking about selling your home? Let me tell you a little secret that could make all the difference. Aerial drone photography and video. Imagine this, stunning shots of your property from angles that were once impossible. Bird's eye views that capture every detail, the lush landscape, the sparkling pool, even the entire neighborhood. Drones bring a whole new dimension to real estate listings, even development properties. They create a visual story, giving potential buyers a true sense of the space and surroundings. And here's the kicker. Homes with drone shots not only get more views, but also sell faster. Why? Because buyers are drawn to these captivating images. They stand out in a sea of standard photos, making your listing unforgettable. And it's not just about being flashy. Drone photography highlights the unique features of your property, showcasing it in the best possible light. Think of it like a movie trailer for your home. It builds excitement and anticipation. Plus, it's super cost effective. For a small investment, you get a huge return in terms of increased interest and higher sale prices. So if you're ready to make your listing stand out and sell quicker, consider adding aerial drone photography to your marketing toolkit. It's a game changer. Ready to take your listings to new heights? Reach out today and let's get those stunning drone shots that will skyrocket your sales. Thanks for watching. Happy selling.